Last time we said, pick a shape, then turn the dials until the line fits. But who turned the dials? Nobody. The model trains itself by simple trial and error. Let's watch it happen. First, a smart move with your data. Say you know 1,000 houses. Don't use all of them to train. Keep some aside to test later. So learn from 700 and quietly hold back 300 to check yourself. Now it starts. The two dials M and C begin at any random value. So the first line is terrible. It sits nowhere near the dots. That's fine. That's expected. Then for each house, it compares the line's guess versus the real price. The gap between them is the error. Add up the errors and you know just how bad this line is right now. Here's the trick. Nudge the dials a little in the direction that makes that error smaller. Draw the new line. Measure again. A bit better. Nudge again. Better still.
And it just keeps doing that on its own.
Exactly. Hundreds, even thousands of tiny nudges. Each one shrinks the error a little. The line slowly creeps until it hugs the dots and the error shrinks towards zero. That's training. One last step. Remember the 300 houses we held back? Now we test on those, the ones it never saw. If it predicts them well, it truly learned. If not, we train some more. But we skip something. How does it measure error as a single number and know which nudge is right? Next, the cost function.